YouTube, I'm Eris and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an edges tutorial. Restart. Hey YouTube, I'm Eris and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY edges tutorial. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how I do my edges and teach you how to do your edges. And I'm not going to lie, I just started learning how to do my edges like this year. So I'm not perfect at it, but I like how my edges turn out. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how I do my edges, and hopefully you guys can learn how to do yours too. And so without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Okay, so as you guys can see, my edges look a hot mess right now. Like, they look really bad. So, the first thing that I do is I push all my hair back into like a bun. It looks really bad, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, I push all my hair back into a bun, and then I brush down my edges. All the edge hair that I want to use. This looks a hot mess. Okay. And then the edge control that I use is the Style Factor Edge Booster Stronghold Water-Based Pomade Sweet Peach Scent. Stronghold and high shine with natural argan oil. And it says hold power is a 5. Yeah. I need that in my life because my edges do not lay down with any other edge control. So this is what it looks like. It's the edge booster. Y'all probably seen this before. This stuff right here, expensive. But yeah, this is how much I have left, y'all. I'm so sad. I have to get more. It smells so good though. Alright, so the first thing I do after I brush my edges down is I'm gonna be looking at my mirror. So I place some edge control right on top of my edges. I try not to use that much, but I do the top ones first. And then I go and do the sides. So that's what we're gonna do. So the next thing that I do is I kind of like break my forehead in half. That's weird, but I kind of break my forehead in half. And so, like, from here on over, it's going to be the right swoop. And then from here on over, it's going to be the left swoop. So, I just take it and I swoop it. And then I follow through with my finger. And it's not going to be perfect on the first try, trust me. But yeah, so I kind of just swoop it into the direction that I want it to go. Ew, this looks so ugly. I need a mirror. Okay. Alright. And then, see how that swoop turned out? It's not bad. It could be better, but it's not bad. So I'm going to just leave it like that. And then I just take some more edge control and put it over the top. Like that. So yeah, that's the first swoop. And then I do the exact same thing on the other side. So I take it and I swoop it. And usually my edges are not even. Like, one looks completely different than the other. And that's okay, because it's not going to be perfect. So I'm just taking the edge brush that I use, and I swoop and follow through with my finger. See? Ta-da! Yeah, so that's the front edge part. They usually look so much better. I don't know why they look like this. But it's okay. They look decent. So then, for the sides, I don't do big swoops like this for the sides. I just kind of brush them in. So, yeah. So then I take a little bit more edge control, like this much. And then I just apply it to the sides. And down here. I'm going to show you guys how I do my edges down here. Sometimes I like do a little sideburn, and other times I just brush it up. But today I'm just going to brush it. Well, what do y'all want? I'm gonna show you what I do if I'm doing a sideburn. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. But yeah, I just take some and apply it to the side. And I do the same thing. I do the same thing for the other side. Alright, so for this top one right here, all I do is take it and kind of swoop it in. And I just brush it in. And that's it. That's literally it. And this is how it looks. Like that. And then the second one, I swoop some of it in. And then I pull some hairs down. Just a little. Like that. And I don't curl it or nothing. I just kind of leave it there. And then I put some edge control on top to seal it down. Just like that. Can y'all see? Yeah. Just like that. So, and then I do the exact same thing on the other side. So I take the top swoop and I just brush it in. Just like that. And the bottom one, I brush it in and then I pull some down. And is it going to be even on both sides? Of course not. Because, oh my gosh, look at my breakout. Ooh. Anyways. Is it going to be even? Nope. There's probably going to be more hair on this side than the other side that I pulled down. And that is A-okay. Who cares? No one is going to sit here and measure my edges. If you do, you're weird. Okay, that's too much hair. Hold on. And then it's trial and error too. So like, if I see that I don't like how much hair I pulled down, I just put some back. You know, like I just did. So yeah, that's basically it. And so then, let me go get a scarf. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my scarf. I fold it until it looks like this. So basically, I make it into a triangle. And then I keep wrapping it over. And then I just take it and put it right on top of my edges. And I tie it in the back. I knot it in the back. And so yeah, that is really it. So then I just leave it on for about 10-15 minutes. Usually 10 minutes is fine. And then while I'm doing that, I clean up, put all my products back. I rinse my edge brush off because I don't want extra edge control on my brush. That's weird. That's nasty. So I rinse that off. And I just wait 10 minutes. So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back with the final results. So I did my makeup while I was waiting. So, drum roll please. It's like, they're not even that good. This is what they look like. Just take it in, you know. Period. They look real good. Today, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something. I hope you can actually do your edges. Because, girl, you're going to look so much better. Like, 1,000 times better with your edges done. I'm trying to tell you. So, I'm going to take my hair down. Get ready to do my hair. And I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the post notification button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Let me know if you actually try to do your edges using my tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.